Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to change system navigation gestures in your IQOO smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply open your settings, then you have to scroll down. Here it is system settings. You have to simply click on that and you will find system navigation. From here you can change your navigation, three button navigation to gestures, and you can see three dots button are now is removed and gestures navigation is now enabled. If you want to go back, then you have to swipe right hand side like this, and if you want to go to home screen, then you have to swipe upside. And if you want go to your recent app, then you have to swipe up and just release the button, and you will see these are recently opened apps. This is how you can enable it. And if you want to disable it, go to system navigation. Here it is three button navigation. Simply enable it and three buttons are now enabled. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.